How to turn on or turn off keyboard hover typing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. Now scroll down to the Accessories section and tap on Keyboards and Typing. In here, tap on Hover Typing and tap on the toggle button to disable it or enable hover typing. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now this is what it looks like when you turn on hover typing. So here, as I type, it shows what I type in this this black box right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.